lovely people, this is Frida Futura. I'm a future scientist, game designer and the inventor of Scenona Cards. And today I wanted to show you how, as a facilitator in an online workshop, you can create your own future personas with the help of the integrated AI of Miro called Miro Assist. I already created a persona here and let's try to do one together now. So, I love to work with something I call the persona coordinator. So I have a table here of different things to combine and to make a persona idea out of it. So here is a row with different goals, a row with topics, abilities, and different results. And when you take one of each these things, you have a great start for a creative future persona. So for example, a goal could be to have a healthy society, topic water, air and space, the abilities of learning and understanding, and the result should be a snack. And if you combine these, you have a cool idea for a new persona. So let's go on and choose something here. Let's say I want to have a persona around the topic of a clean environment. Going to copy paste it here. And okay, let's choose a topic. What about education and family? Oops. Nope. I want the whole post-it because you have to work with post-its in order to get all the AI Miro Assist functions to work. All right, this is a bit too small because I made these bigger. Okay, so there's a person who wants to build a clean environment in the field of entertainment and consumption. Okay, I chose something different, doesn't matter. Let's choose an ability. So maybe communicate and share. So the persona uses her abilities to communicate and share. And it's great how she makes a out of it. So maybe a show. Let's say we take show as a result. Okay, let's make this a bit smaller just for you to see. All right. So what you can do in order to elaborate a little bit more around these topics is that you can ask Miro Assist, which is these stars here, to add similar sticky notes. Let's do this. So you get sticky notes all around the idea of clean environment, but with different words. Okay. And it always posts it somewhere else. Let us see. Okay. Green building practices, recycling programs, eco-friendly product choices. Okay. Let's say we exchange this for this because I find it even cooler. So we use of biodegradable materials. Okay, let's go. So now I'm going to select all of these 4 post-its, only the post-its, and then I click here again and say summarize. And here in this right corner, it says create a short summary, and it did that. And now I will prompt, like with ChatGPT, what Miro Assist should do with the text. And then I will say, can you write a 100 words persona text from first person view. The persona talks about the content as if it were her job. Please give the content a persona title as well. Okay, so now I prompted it to write a text like from our Scenona card deck, a persona text. Let's see. Okay, and it came up with a sustainable entertainment advocate. As a sustainable entertainment advocate, my job revolves around promoting environmental friendly practices in the entertainment and consumption industry. Okay, I'm passionate about finding innovative ways to communicate and share these practices with a wide audience. Cool. I mean, let's take this. Okay, see, I can already create it as a sticky note. Cool, and I can directly use it here. Let's just put it in our second. Awesome, so we have a persona title, which is Sustainable Entertainment Advocate. Let's close this for a moment. We have a text here. Maybe in this video you can pause and read it. You can, of course, also do now something with the text, so you could maybe shorten the text, rewrite for clarity. Let's do this. Okay, so it changed the text now a little bit. You could also change tone, maybe make it sound even more professional, more business or more fun, but I'm not going to do that now. I hope grammar is also fine, but if you're not happy with your text, you could fix the grammar. And now, of course, we want also a graphic for the persona card, because also the Scenona cards I built, they always have a text and a picture. So what you can do now is you also have a AI image generator in Miro AI Assist, and you can generate an image. Let's see. Wow, that's very nice. Let's keep it as a inspiration. Maybe we do one more. Takes a little bit of time. But I think it's really cool. Hey, where did the picture go? Okay. I think I like the first one better, so let's get rid of this one. And let's take that, and we can now fill it in. You can also do like this. Yes, exactly. So you can crop it into different sizes. So maybe a circle, that looks also cool. Okay, that's a bit different than on my cards, but let's say that looks cool. And now we have our own persona. So a sustainable entertainment advocate, and this is a picture for it. Of course, you can play around much more with the words here. And of course, this is like very quick and dirty. But I think it's fun to just create personas on the fly. And the more you customize the input of the prompts, of course, the more interesting they get. But I found it a really cool way to start using Miro Assist. And I was very happy to find that with Scenona Cards you can use it as well. Okay, have fun with this use case and see you soon.